model M0149, but I'll show you how to do it. Those little feet in the back, those come out. There's screws inside of there. Once you take those screws off, the rest is pretty simple. Just take the ball out. Oops. Sorry. Take the ball out. Then the top comes right off. Then that's what's inside. Then you got 3 screws on both sides that hold the buttons in. Take that off. Once you take the screws off, this comes right off. This has 2 screws inside. You take those off, then this pops off. And that's it. Just be careful when you take off the little glass sensor. You don't lose it. And it goes in the pointy to the left. You just drop it in there. Nothing holds it. You don't feel it click or anything. So what happened here was this thing came apart. You see those little dots there? They just came loose, so I just snapped it back together. It's basically 3 pieces. This is 1 piece, this is 2, and then this is the 3rd piece. So once you snap it all together, you're good to go. And then putting it back together, just line up the holes and it should just line straight up. It's pretty straightforward. It's kind of hard here with the, there it is. And then you put this back in here, put the screws in, drop that in, flip it upside down, put your other 4 screws. Now it moves nice and smooth. Thanks for watching.